Hi, it's JoElla Milan, licensed esthetician, and today I'm going to talk to you about a wonderful product from Viktoria de Ann. It's new and it's a professional product, and I have twofold reason for bringing it to your attention. One is if you go to your esthetician and get a facial or your favorite spa, ask them to do this treatment on you because it will make a difference and you'll love the results. The Viktoria de Ann does make a great Pepti Hyaluronic, which I sell a lot of this product. This helps you grow your own hyaluronic acid in your skin, and it gives you remarkable plumping and firming and youthful skin. So this, if you're using this now at home, I would continue using it. It's one of my favorite products for sure. Then this product now is different. Now this one is a 30 ml or 1 ounce size. Now, the new one, they come in a box with 40 packets. These are 2 ml each, so that's how they do come. So it's a generous amount, and I can get a couple uses out of each packet. So each one now, which I want to go over with you, is, hyaluronic acid comes in different molecular weights. So that's why you'll see you get different results from different hyaluronic acids. The ones that are have the higher amount of it, or they don't penetrate as easy into the skin because, or with the bigger molecules, they don't penetrate as well into the skin, but they do a lot of great hydration on top of the skin. Now the smaller molecules penetrate a little bit better. So that's why you can see a difference sometime with the different ones you use. Now here at the Viktoria de Ann, they brought you 3 different sizes, and each one does have a purpose. And that's what I wanted to share with you. Now, the high, for example, is good for smoothing and calming and hydration, and then skin plumping also. So this is great. This is the high. Now, the medium one is good for sun damage, scarring, barrier repair, and overall skin health. So they're both great. Now, the low is for rejuvenation, aging, and restorative. So this one is anti-aging. They're all anti-aging, but this one, let's focus on that. They're all wonderful, and they work well with the devices. You could try putting them on alone too if you don't have a device. I don't want you to feel that you have to rush out and get one. But when you do get your treatment, you will notice the difference. You'll leave your facial and just go, oh, I look so good. So what I do, I've got all my devices and I try to use them when I can, but I'm always in a hurry and I don't sometimes have time to take the time to use my device. But what I do, which I've talked about before, is my osmosis skin tool, face tool. This one's a face one. They have one face, one for the body. But what I did was I put on my, whatever I put on my face, and then I used the hyaluronic acid serum and put it on my face. And then I used my skin tool, which it's got the little balls with like little points on it. They're sharp, so you don't want to go too heavy on the skin, but these do penetrate, help the products penetrate. It's a great product. So again, put the hyaluronic acid on the face, and then use your skin tool. For penetration. And again, always go towards the handle and be gentle with it. You don't want to overdo it because you can cause redness. So you want to be careful with it. And on the neck too. But I did this last night and I woke up today. My face was so firm. I was impressed, because my face is already quite firm for my products. I'm happy with that, with the Viktoria de Ann products. I don't use fillers or any kind of injectable in my face. This is just all my skin. So, and it's from the product. So I've got good skin, but my face this morning was so tight and so firm. I was excited. So I wanted to bring this to you just so that this is available. So if you have any questions, you can call me on my toll-free number. I will have some links below. And I'm really happy to help you. I'm all about education for my clients because I feel it's important for you to know how to take care of your own skin and to understand aging, because you do have to use good products on your skin. If you go to an esthetician, that's great, but it's still good for you to understand what they're doing and why. You know, don't just go, oh, that felt really good. You know what they're doing to you so that you can follow it along at home. If they suggest some products for you to take home with you, you know, I would listen to them. So that's why we go to school. We want to help you. And, you know, education. I'm always about education for not only myself, but for my customers. So I really look forward to hearing from you. And I'm happy to help you so that you can look and feel your best. Thanks. Bye.